friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry, also known as the Inspire Planner, and today I am going to set up my creative journal for the week. Welcome back. So today I'm going to go ahead and set up my creative journal for the week. I am going to be using some Bee Deco as well as some of our new Sunshine Frolic Deco because I am not ready to give up on the summer vibes yet. So I'm going to do something very similar that I did last week, which is some Dutch door pages and some spreads that I can just go back and fill in. I am going to go ahead and do the first 2 pages as my gratitude again, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and cut off about an inch or so of 4 of these pages so I can create that Dutch door effect. I'm going to go ahead and cut those really quickly, and while I am doing that, I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on a fast forward through the process, and then I will catch you back here at the end. right, friends, well that didn't take too terribly long. Hopefully you enjoyed the process. So I'm just going to do a quick little walkthrough. So I've got gratitude all set up. Oh, I do need to go back and put my numbers in here. I was kind of waiting for those to dry. So I believe Monday is the 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30, and then 31, and then we're going to go right over to 1 because September 1st is Sunday this year. So I've got this all numbered, which is nice. So this is gratitude, August 26th through September 1st. Then I've just got a series of blank pages that I can use for my journaling throughout the week. I ended up not using Sunshine Frolic because I had more than enough of the bee paper and deco to use, as well as I pulled out some stencils, as you saw, had a little fun with some stenciling on here. And then I also used the quote journal sheet, I Am Enough, and added some nice little positive affirmations in here as well. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. I will be sharing setup for the month of September sometime this week, so make sure you stay tuned for that. If you have not already liked and subscribed to my channel, I sure would appreciate it if you do so. And if you know somebody that this would inspire, please go ahead and share it out with them. Thanks again so much, and I'll see you soon.